Hello guys, welcome to my channel Link Later. Hope so you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to discuss phonetics. It is the first lecture in the playlist phonetics in which I will discuss briefly about this course and about this main field of linguistics phonetics. As a linguistics student you should know about this field because it is crucial and it is difficult to understand. I really feel difficult to understand this field, so I have decided to make a full detailed playlist for you so that you don't feel any problems. So, phonetics is the study of sound in human speech. What does it mean? That you learn all about sounds in this field. You will learn that how sounds are produced. You will learn that how you should pronounce a specific sound, how you should make these sounds in a word, and how your ears should receive that sound. So it is all about sounds in phonetics. There are three fields of it: articulative phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics. So what is articulation? It means producing sound from the mouth. It means that it deals with the pronunciation of the words. Thus this branch of phonetics deal with the production of sound, their description, that how you should write the sound, and their transcription, that is writing them with the help of symbols. I will teach you transcription of these and the production of the sound and their description in detail in this video, in this full playlist. Acoustic phonetics is the study of the physical properties of the sound themselves. These are the machines which give bands of frequencies for sounds. Other features of sound can also be studied. Acoustic phonetics are those in which we study that how long should we say a word, what should be the frequency of a sound, and what should be the where should we produce vibrations in a sound. This is all in acoustics. Auditory phonetics is the study of reception of the sound by the ear and its processing in the brain. So these are the main three fields. Where students feel more difficulty is in articulation. So my main focus will be on articulation. So let's start it. The first lecture you should learn this because it will play a great role in learning the pronunciation of specific English words. So let's see. First is upper lip, lower lip. We all know about it. I don't need to explain it. Nose, lower teeth, upper teeth. Done. Now alveolar ridge. It is the hard, creaked hard pleats which can be felt by running the tip of the tongue against it. It should be at the back of the upper teeth in a row of fine hard pleats. Run your tongue behind your upper teeth and you will feel it, the pleats. When you need to pronounce the word ta, da, your tongue should touch the alveolar ridge. So do it. Put your tongue around the row of fine creaked hard pleats and pronounce ta, da. So it is. Hard palate will be just behind the alveolar ridge, and it is the hard but smooth roof of the mouth that can be felt by moving the tip of the tongue against it. You should run your tongue against it and you will feel it. Now jaws. We all know jaws, they are not the true articulators, but they make contact with other articulators and their movement plays a crucial role in production of the sounds. The lower jaw is certainly moved a lot when speaking and when vowel sounds are produced. So lower jaw is important when you need to pronounce a vowel sound. Lips, we all know. Now nasal cavity. It plays the great role in producing nasal sounds. It is just behind the nose and it produces na sound. Air will flow through it when we need to produce the nasal sounds. Now soft palate. It is the area between the hard palate and the uvula. It can be reached by the tongue. When we produce the ka and ga sound, the tongue is at the lower side of the soft palate or velum and they are called velar sounds. So it is just behind the hard palate and uvula. You all know about uvula. That is the part which is the fleshy part which is hanging in our mouth. So just before it there is soft palate. You need to your tongue will be there when you need to produce the ka and ga sound. Now yeah, we will discuss pharynx and larynx later on. These are the main things which you should know for producing different sounds. Learn about them, remember them, so that when in the next videos I will discuss more about the pronunciation, you are familiar with this. I will suggest you to take the screenshot of this diagram so that you should have it in the next lectures. Thank you so much.